Hi everyone. Okay, my name's John. We're going to be doing a little fun fitness session with you today. As you might recognise behind you, there's quite a few of the play team that you may be familiar with. All we're hoping today is that by the end you're going to leave this feeling fun, confident and happy with the session we've had. We're going to do 5 exercises, okay? It's going to be a 40-second exercise followed by a 20-second rest, okay? So I'll talk you through them. All we're going to be doing for the first exercise is a jog on the spot with a punch, okay? So like I said, 40 seconds and let's go. So keep those arms pumping, get those knees up if you can. Keep it going. That's it. Get them going, really get that blood pumping, get that heart rate going. Nice, keep it up. Come on, we're about halfway. Keep it going, this is nice. Enjoy it. 10 seconds, come on. Get them going a bit faster. Nearly there, come on, keep going. And we're done. So we're now going to do a 20-second rest, okay? In that rest, I'm going to show you what we're doing next. The next one is called a Spider-Man lunge. So we're on the floor. We bring the knee up, down, up. We bring it down. So from the side, we're there. We bring it up, down, and alternate. If you do want something slightly easier than that, all we're going to do is we lunge forward. So I'll show you from this angle. We lunge forward. So let's get going. 40 seconds, starting now. That's it, keep it going. Like I said, if you are struggling with this one, stand up and we'll just bring it into a forward lunge. Or if you fancy something a bit fancier, all we're gonna go for is a Spider-Man lunge. So we're there. Just like you see on the Spider-Man movies, this is one of his signature poses. We got 10 seconds left. Let's keep going. We're nearly there. Okay, up we come. Grab yourself a well-deserved rest. Another 20 seconds. The next one we're going to do, make sure you've got loads of space around you. And all we're going to do is a star jump. So grab yourself a rest, I'll tell you when we're going. Get the heart rate back down a minute. Relax. And let's go into a star jump. Nice, keep it going, nice big jumps. I hope you're all enjoying it, keep it going. Keep it going, that's good. Nice, nice big star jumps. Good, lovely. Come on, keep on going. We're nearly there. We got 10 seconds. Keep on going. Second rest, grab yourselves a breather. Okay, the next one we're going to do is called touch the sky. So we go down, touch the sky and up. So it's down and up. Bending at the knees, so we're there and up. Keep your back nice and straight and up. So there's your next one, everyone. And we will start. 2, 1, let's go. So down and touch the sky. Down, touch the sky. Nice, keep this going. We're over halfway now. Keep it going. Not long left to go. So down and up. Down and up. Touch the floor, touch the sky. Keep on going. This is nice. Should be starting to feel it. We're 10 seconds. Heart rate should really be going. Nearly there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Okay, and for the final one, we're really gonna get the blood pumping, the heart rate going. We're gonna go all out for this last 40. and we are sprinting on the spot. We're going to do a few turns and sprint, and for the last 10 seconds, we're going to go all out and finish it off, okay? So am I ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Nice sprints, come on. Imagine you're running a race. Fast as you can. You want to beat your friends, come on. Fast as you can. Get those arms going, get those legs going. Come on. Smile on your face, get it going, come on. We're nearly there. You're winning the race, come on. We're going to go to the side. Keep going. Back to the middle. Last 10. Fast as we can. Come on, go. We're nearly there. End of the race. Come on. And time. Grab yourselves a breather. Okay, well that was your Fit in 5 minute session. I hope you've all enjoyed it. Hope you're feeling more confident, happier. You've had a lot of fun. That's it from me and the play team today. Bye guys, give everyone a wave.